Is AI here to take away all of our jobs and render us broke? I certainly hope not. It's 2023 and AI is the new kid on the block. If you are not using AI right now, then you best hop on the train as soon as possible, or you're going to get left behind. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 AI tools that will make the life of every writer easier. With the rise of AI tools increasing sporadically, it can be quite a hassle to choose the best AI tools to use. I mean, every other person is producing an AI tool, so there are several AI tools on the internet today. This is a bit confusing for writers because you're not sure which one you need to use for which purpose, which is why I am making this video. In this video, I am going to show you 4 key AI tools that will solve 3/4 of your problems while writing. Like everything else in the world, AI tools also have their pros and cons. Now, the obvious pro of an AI tool is that it is faster. A typical AI tool will generate the content for you within anywhere between 30 seconds and 3 minutes, depending on the length and other factors of the content. Now, obviously, of course, you know that the human brain would take a lot more time than that to get this all together. So AI comes in very handy if you are looking for speed. So yes, the major pro of an AI tool is that it is fast. Cons of AIs are also considered, and one of them is the lack of emotions. Now, AI is going to write the same way it's going to talk, and it's going to talk like a robot, right? So you can literally hear the lack of emotional connection to the article or the content that the AI has written for you when you read it. All right, so there is no emotion. It's just like a bland, question answer scenario. There are no depths, there are no feelings involved. It's just straight up garbage in, garbage out. And this is a problem because people buy with emotions, people connect more to emotions. So if there is no emotion in the content that you are writing, then it's going to be difficult to convert. Another con is that the fact that it produces new content doesn't always mean that the new content it produces is original. All right, sometimes there has been 1 or 2 cases or more. There has been some cases of lack of originality in the content created by AI. So because there is a high tendency that if you give a similar prompt to your AI software as another writer, there's a high tendency that the content that the AI software is going to produce, the contents are going to be similar. All right, so this is why you cannot vouch for the originality of a content when you use AI, as opposed to using your natural brain. If you use your brain to write, you know that this is coming from me and no other person is going to write these words like I will. So without wasting much time, let's quickly hop into 4 major AI tools that, once you have these tools, you have basically everything you need from AI as a freelance writer. Okay, so the first AI software that you need is GPT for Sheets and Docs. So if you use Google Docs and Google Sheets, and if you're a writer, you should be using this too, especially Google Docs. All right, then this is perfect for you because it's made just for it. Now, this is an absolutely amazing, like it is so good. It's just like ChatGPT, all right, but it's like restricted to Google Docs and Google Sheets. It's perfect for outlining. If you want to create an outline, you can give it a prompt, give the software a prompt. If you want to summarize a content you already wrote, meta description and stuff like that. You see, I already installed it. All right, so let's take an example. Let's say you're trying to create an outline here. Let's say you're creating an outline you want to write an article about the dangers of AI. Alright, and you're trying to create an outline for that. So if you go to my extensions, it's already here. So let's just get it launched quickly. it now appears on the sidebar, as you can see. So let's say write an outline on the dangers of AI. Alright, when you do it like this and you click on submit, just give it a few seconds and we'll see what happens. It needs a few seconds, I guess, to process it. Let me make the screen a bit wider. Okay, so give it a few seconds, and here it has just written out a full outline on this topic. So this is one way that Google GPT for Sheets and Docs can be used. Okay, so Copy.ai is another one that is pretty popular. So this is great for ideation. So if you're getting some form of writer's block, then this is the software that will pull you out of it. It can help you brainstorm topics and also craft social media posts. It has just a simple concept, and one of the key features of Copy.ai is that it is very easy to use. All you need to do is sign up, and then there are prompts for you to follow, and you know what to do. You can use it to write blogs, social media, email marketing. You can even write engaging emails using Copy.ai, right? So it has a wealth of idea generation tools, right? A wealth of them. Like literally, when you tell them what you are looking to create, all right, see this, then the main points you want to cover, and choose a tone. It even lets you choose a tone of writing and create copy, and in few seconds a copy would be created for you. There are several, it has several prompts for you that you can follow. So the link is in my bio to download Copy.ai. Okay, so another software that AI has blessed us with is Wordtune. Okay, this one is it functions better if you are looking to write, you are looking to do edits on your work. It helps you write, come up with words. It can be difficult sometimes to come up with the right words as a writer. So this is your go-to tool. It always comes in very, very handy, right? So it works with you in real time, helping you rephrase and reword your content. Okay, so you can see this is an example here. If you want to change this word, this opportunity interests me, it gives you a variety of options that still mean the same thing. So it's basically the best thing for if you're trying to edit, get better words, reword your article. All right, that's how it works. So all you need to do is install it. It can also be a Chrome extension, so you can install it as an extension, right? See here, you can write out whatever it is you want and then ask it to rewrite it for you, and then it basically just changes the structure of your sentence to give it more life, right? So it comes with different plans as well. So it comes with different plans as well, right? So you can just choose the one that is more suitable for you. So Writesonic is another epic AI tool. It works for copywriters best. Alright, it's great for copywriters or marketers that are looking to automate the regular tasks that you do, like email writing or SEO, meta descriptions or captions, all of those things. If you just want to automate those little tasks, then Writesonic is perfect for you. Alright, so guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of this video, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, and also tell me what you think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.